Okay, so this is the just to talk about the assignment that was due for this chapter, chapter 8, the user interface chapter, and basically it's in the content section. And here you go. So again, you got your standard sort of textbook regurgitation questions, and then the key here is this part. So tools for you. What I wanted you to do is sort of two parts here for critical thinking. One, it says design a data entry screen for entering new numbers that's way better than this one. So this is the solution, believe it or not, that they actually had. So what I'm asking you to do is to do something better than the solution. One thing that's horrible for this is, I mean, look at this, even this idea, security type, what it's telling you to do is, well, you put 1 for Visa, 2 for MasterCard. Really, seriously, the textbook suggests after we went through all that, that's what it's suggesting. There's definitely things that you can do here to sort of make this screen better, besides removing it from being a crappy gray screen. Then it says design an online tool rental screen. Use your imagination, but basically try to, apply some stuff that you learned. Suggest at least 5 data validation rules that might help reduce input errors for this. And I'm saying beyond basic data validation types, like this should be a number, this should be characters. I mean, suggest 5 basic validation rules. Remember, you got all the rules that they had in the book, plus my idea of field level, record level, or data set level. Then design a screen for managers, because basically this right here, these two are probably more operational. Now we're looking for managers. What would managers be interested in? Apparently they'd be interested in weekly or monthly data on rentals, new customers, new charges, or anything else you think a manager might actually want to review. This is kind of going to be like a switchboard, all right? And then the last question here is, are there any user input improvements you can think of for D2L? Now, many times some students say, nope, it works just fine, which I'm thinking, okay, great. I hope your life is awesome, because there's definitely some things that D2L could do probably a little bit better, especially now that you guys are many of you are becoming like, are already digital natives, and I'm sure you can come up with ways that D2L could be a little bit better. All right, so that's kind of what I got for you guys for this particular chapter.